Well, the record heat in the western U.S. will begin to shift east into the central U.S. as we continue on through the end of the week and this upcoming weekend. In fact, feels like temperatures in some spots over the central U.S. will be approaching 100 degrees, if not even seeing actual air temperatures up near that triple-digit mark. Some spotty thunder on the outer periphery of this very warm weather with heavy pockets of rain, as tends to be the case with any thunderstorm development. Today we have a marginal risk of severe weather over New Jersey, out near New York, and then slight risk as you get into the northern Rockies and the Pacific Northwest. On Thursday, again, showers and thunderstorms developing in the outer periphery of this very warm weather. A couple of isolated strong storms here and there. Here we are on Friday, a marginal risk over the upper Mississippi Valley and the Great Lakes, and again here on Saturday. So again, kind of just watching the thunder threat over the next several days. These thunderstorms will be developing more so late afternoon into the evening hours, continuing overnight, feeding off of that very warm and humid weather, and then they fall apart the next morning with more showers and storms developing the next afternoon and evening. So again, kind of just watching the thunder threat. It's kind of the ring of fire that tends to set up in the central U.S. during the midsummer months, but that's starting to develop already as we get into this early and mid part of June. So showers and storms could be developing into heavier pockets of rain, as I mentioned, on the outer periphery of that heat. Lingering in front of Florida will bring some heavier rainfall to those locations. And the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook from June 13 to the 17th shows pretty warm conditions in the central and southeastern U.S. But here's that big ridge of high pressure developing and shifting east with temperatures underneath that ridge, mainly in the northwest today, about 15 to 20 degrees above average, but we're still about 15 to 20 degrees below average in the eastern U.S. Very comfortable, though, for this early June, maybe even a little bit on the cool side in Chicago at 68, 70 New York, 79 in Minneapolis. There's the warm weather in Billings at 93, 106 in Phoenix on Thursday, and Friday can see that heat really starting to set up in the central U.S.